Shimajiro! Let's play together! Me and my mom!
I told you to clean up your room. Hey! Where are you? Come out. Oh, that's weird. I could have sworn he was here. Oh, no, you don't.
I'll clean up when I come back home, Mom.
No way. If you want to go play, you'll have to clean up your room first.
A spider!
Ah! Where is it?
See you, Mom!
Shimajiro!
Mommy, what are you doing?
Hannah, could you get the spider?
What spider? No spider.
Huh? Oh. Come back here, or I'll throw your toys away.
Where is he? There he is.
You're super late. What happened?
Sorry, Mom wouldn't let me go. She was upset.
Oh, yeah. Moms get angry way too easily. My mom is always yelling at me about something every day. It's really rough, I tell you.
But what was your mom angry about? Because I just didn't want to clean out my room. Well then, of course she's gonna be mad at you. Yeah, but I was gonna clean it later. You really shouldn't leave a big mess in your room, you know. I'm with Nikki on this one.
Does it matter if it's now or later? What's the difference if it gets cleaned someday?
That's right. Well, okay. I'm taking your mom's side. Me too. Whoa! What are you doing? I'm taking you back to your mom right this minute. Hey! I'll help you, Nikki. Now go clean up your room right away. What? Let go of me now. Hey! Wait! Come back! Mimi-Lin, cut him off! I got him! I'm gonna get you!
That looks fun! Let me play!
Oh, Mom's gonna get mad again if she sees this. Oh. Huh? Okay. Oh! Huh? I thought I'd be caught for sure. There. She won't find out now. Whew, that's a relief. I'm hungry. Is there anything to eat? Mom, do you hear me? Hey, Mom! Did she get mad and go out somewhere? What's this? I've gone to the supermarket with Hannah. There's cake in the fridge, so you can eat that and wait for us. All right! The cake is all mine! Ow! Mmm, delicious! Huh? But wait, Mom was so mad at me before. It's raining. Is my mom gonna be okay? on, dry! Mommy.
Shimajiro!
What? Huh? Hannah and Mom!
Shimajiro, what are you doing here all alone?
I just wanted
Didn't I leave a note telling you to wait for us at home?
No, wait, Mom. I just wanted to... I mean...
Oh, Mommy's umbrella! What is that umbrella do... Oh. Shimajiro, did you come out here just so you could bring Mommy an umbrella?
Yeah.
I see. Well, let's all go home.
Yay! Okay. Hey, Mom. You still mad at me?
Of course not, sweetie. You're a very kind and caring little boy. I'm sorry. I should have asked you why you left the house before I got angry at you earlier.
Me too. I'm sorry. It was my fault for not listening to you before.
Shimajiro, Mommy, Shimajiro, come back here right now. You are very mistaken if you think you can fool me by hiding dirty clothes in the washer.
No, Mom. I was gonna do the laundry myself.
Do you honestly expect me to believe that? Come here! Hey!
Shimajiro, I'm my mommy back. You gotta believe me.
You won't get away this time!
Mom! The day Mom cried. Hey, Zota! Catch this! Is that all you got? A baby could have thrown much harder than that. Awesome, Nikki. Watch it, because the next one's gonna send you flying. Do you mean like this?
Oh, that hurt.
Wow, you took it right in the face. Yeah. Are you okay, Kota? Hey, Nikki, why did you have to throw the ball so hard? What? Can't you catch it if I throw it that hard? All right, that's it. This time, I'm gonna throw it so hard no one will be able to catch it. Who are you aiming that at? Shimajiro, are you okay? Are you hurt? It hurts. Aw, Shimajiro's crying now. Oh, you're right. Shimajiro is a crybaby. I'm not a baby. I wasn't crying. Cry, baby. Wah, I heard myself. You guys need to knock it off. That's right. Zota, stop. Buta, too.
Don't worry about them, Shimajiro.
I'm sure Zota and Buta have cried many times before.
Oh, yeah. When they were babies, they were crying all the time.
That's a wrong example.
Oh, right. I'm sorry. Shimajiro!
Why did you have to be so mean? It's his fault.
This might sting a bit.
Okay.
That must have stung. I'm really proud of you. You didn't cry.
Oh.
there.
Did you boys hurt yourselves too?
We came here to say sorry to Shimajiro.
Yeah, I'm sorry for what we said, Shimajiro.
Sorry.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Really?
Uh-huh. It's just... I was a little embarrassed, that's all. Huh? Oh, look, Shimajiro! Hey, Hannah.
Oh. Was school fun today, Shimajiro?
Are you all right, Mommy?
Huh? It's nothing, honey.
Yes, but... Flower, not good. What? Oh. Oh, you're right. Flower. That was your most favorite flower, right, Mommy?
It used to be so beautiful, and then it just dried up. It just made me feel a little bit sad inside.
Oh, Mommy, I didn't know you cried too.
Of course I do.
Wow.
It's perfectly normal to cry when you're feeling sad or angry. The tears just come naturally.
You know, Mom, we were playing at recess today. I was so embarrassed about crying over that.
It's not embarrassing at all, sweetie.
No?
Of course not. I remember a long time ago when I was just a little girl. I wasn't very good at skipping rope, and I kept falling down in front of my friends. It hurt, and I felt embarrassed when I cried. But then I stopped crying and kept on practicing. I never cried from falling again. Looking back on it today, I might have just cried away all my pain and my embarrassment.
You know, when Miss Chicago put some stuff on my knee, it really stung. But I didn't cry. I felt very proud.
Tears have this magical ability to make you want to try a little harder, you know?
That's right.
Everybody cries, you know, Shimajiro. Even someone like your dad.
What? You mean even Dad cries? Hannah doesn't want Daddy crying.
Oh, but he didn't cry because he was feeling sad or angry. He was very happy.
He was happy?
Yes. I remember the first time I saw your father cry.
How much longer is it gonna be? Oh. Why is it taking so long? She should have been done by now. Huh? There it is! I'm so proud. I love you. He's absolutely perfect. It's a boy! It's a boy! It's a boy!
So that was the first time Daddy cried?
Yes, it was. Now can you guess the second time?
Sakura, I'm so proud of you. She's so beautiful. It's a girl! It's a girl! It's a girl!
So Dad cried when Hannah was born too. Daddy, love Hannah!
Tears can mean many things, and they're not something you should be ashamed of.
Yeah, I'm not embarrassed at all anymore now.
I'm glad to hear that.
Oh, flower, not pretty. Pretty flower. You're right. They're beautiful.
Yes, they really are.
Flower, not pretty. It's a yes. It's a yes. Let's play. Come on. Here I go. Hey.
That one wasn't too bad, Shimajiro.
You're not gonna beat me today. Give it your best shot.
Look at him. He's in such a good mood today.
He sure is.
Yeah, that's more like the Shimajiro we know. All right, get ready, Shimajiro.
Come on. That's your best shot? Here I go.